tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for portions of Lackawanna and Luzerne counties. This is a tornado emergency for the warned area. At 4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, storm spotters and local media reported tornadoes on the ground. These reports are associated with the line of storms heading into the warned area. A tornado was also reported near Interstate 81. Cities such as Scranton, Moosic, Avoca, Pittston, DuPont and Wilkes-Barre are in the path. The Wilkes-Barre-Scranton International Airport is also at risk of being impacted. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in, or near one of these cities, take cover now. Do not wait for a tornado to be in sight, by then it may be too late.